Have you ever pondered over the enigmatic mysteries the universe holds? What if we told you that everything you see, everything you know, only makes up 5% of the universe? Now, let's embark on a journey to the unknown, a journey to the unseen, 95%, a realm dominated by dark matter and dark energy. These elusive entities, dark matter and dark energy, were not discovered through a telescope or a spaceship, but through the power of deduction and mathematical equations. They're important because they hold the answers to questions that have baffled scientists for centuries. Questions about the universe's expansion, its formation, its destiny. They hold the key to understanding why the universe is the way it is. As we delve deeper into the cosmos, we realize that we are only scratching the surface of understanding. We are left to wonder, what exactly are these dark entities that seemingly govern our universe? Dark matter, an elusive entity, invisible to our eyes and our instruments. But how do we know it exists? Let's journey into the heart of this cosmic conundrum. First, let's consider the gravitational effects of dark matter. You see, if we tally up all the visible matter in the universe, stars, galaxies, interstellar gas, it doesn't add up to the gravity we observe. It's like seeing an apple hanging in midair, defying the very laws of physics. So there must be something else, an unseen presence, lending its weight. That's dark matter. Next, look at the galaxies. They rotate at such speeds that without the added pull of dark matter, they'd tear themselves apart. Yet, here they are, spinning in perfect harmony. This unseen conductor orchestrating the cosmic ballet is none other than dark matter. Furthermore, dark matter is the hidden architect of the universe's large-scale structure. The cosmic web, a vast network of galaxies, is thought to be the result of dark matter clumps pulling matter together. And yet, despite its profound influence, dark matter remains unseen, its nature a profound mystery. We are, in essence, blind to it. It neither emits nor absorbs light or any other electromagnetic radiation, thus eluding direct detection. Despite its invisibility, dark matter leaves its fingerprints all over the cosmos, shaping the universe as we know it. Now, let's turn our attention to an even more puzzling phenomenon: dark energy. But what exactly is this force that's driving galaxies apart? Dark energy, in essence, is a hypothetical form of energy that permeates all of space and tends to accelerate the expansion of the universe. It's a concept that emerged from the study of distant supernovae, those incredible celestial explosions that outshine entire galaxies. In the late 20th century, astronomers observing these distant supernovae found something astounding. The universe was not only expanding, but its expansion was accelerating. This was a startling revelation, as it defied the existing understanding that gravity should be causing the expansion to slow down. So, what could be causing this acceleration? The answer, scientists proposed, was dark energy. It's thought to make up about 70% of the universe, far outweighing both regular matter and dark matter. Yet, despite its prevalence, we know very little about it. It's like a ghost in the cosmic machine, unseen but profoundly influential. It doesn't interact with matter or light in any way we can detect, so its existence and properties are inferred from its gravitational effects on the universe's large-scale structure. Dark energy, then, is a testament to the power of scientific inquiry and the mysteries that still lie beyond our grasp. It's a puzzle piece in our cosmic jigsaw that we're still trying to fit in the right place. Dark energy, an enigma of cosmic proportions, continues to baffle scientists, challenging our understanding of the very fabric of the universe. In the grand cosmic theater, dark matter and dark energy play the leading roles. But what do these dark entities mean for us and for the future of the universe? To summarize, dark matter and dark energy are the unseen actors in the cosmic drama. Dark matter, with its gravitational influence, is the invisible glue holding galaxies together, while dark energy, mysterious and repulsive, is driving the universe's accelerating expansion. These enigmatic entities challenge our understanding of the universe. They pose questions about the nature of reality, the formation and evolution of galaxies, and the ultimate fate of the cosmos. In the future, scientists will continue to probe these dark corners of the universe. They'll refine their theories, improve their observations, and perhaps, one day, unveil the true nature of dark matter and dark energy. As we unravel the mysteries of the dark universe, we journey not just through space, but also through the frontiers of human knowledge and understanding.